to set up a service package. So first we'll go to the navigation menu, then Setup Service, and click Setup Services. A prerequisite for this is to have set up the original services under the Setup Services area. So first I'll go into Setup Services. I'll click plus new or add new, and then I come in here and I'll say 3 massages. Now this can be a series of 3 massages, or I can call this a Luxe Spa Day, and that could be multiple services. So you can either have, let's say, 3 massages, or you could have a massage and a manicure and a pedicure, and it could be multiple services. And that would be the best example I could give. The available for client self-booking, this is if they're able to book it themselves, either online or through the Welcome app. And then you could provide a different client-facing name and a description in here. And then you can also adjust the order in which this displays if you plan to display your packages in a specific order. Down here, I select the services. So as we mentioned, we could make this, let me find the massages first. I feel like I'm passing over them. Sorry about that. All right, how about we do acupuncture? So I could make this 3 reps of acupuncture, and I could make that 3. The discounted price, so the actual price is $40. The discounted price could be, let's say, $37. And then when I ring up this package, it will be for $111 instead of $120. Alternatively, I could make this for multiples. So I could say, okay, it includes 30 minutes acupuncture, and it also includes a manicure, and it also includes a pedicure. So you can go in there and it would just be one of each of those. And then I can add or remove as needed. And then I can also tweak these. So maybe the manicure is $18 and the pedicure is $55. So it would show, okay, the package before discounts was $120 and now the package after discounts is $110, and then go ahead and hit save. So that was a Luxe Spa Day. So that's how you create a package. In the next video, we'll show you how to sell the package and redeem it.